Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. So if you guys have been with me for some time, then you know that I recently purchased this I-cord maker, which makes it pretty much easy and fast, like fast as heck, to knit I-cords like in no time. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to create a matching pair of earrings and necklace. I just decided matching earrings and necklace. I'm going to be using this jean-like yarn. You guys, I just love this. Like, I love the way it looks. It's very soft. Goodness, I forget who it was by. Yeah, I forget, y'all. I totally spaced out. But I also made these crochet pair of earrings, hoop earrings with it. You guys love it. You guys love it. I love it. I've been getting into knit lately. Like, it has become an addiction of mine. I'm not afraid to say it, y'all. I'm like addicted to it. So I love crochet, love everything crochet. So now that I'm kind of getting into it, y'all, I have been trying to do it up to the fullest. So let's go ahead and get into this. So before we even start, I'm going to go step by step. Okay, I'm going to do this step by step for you guys. So what I'm going to do is insert the yarn straight down through that hole. What you want to do is get it to come out the other end. Once there, you're going to connect it to the weight. This thing is pretty heavy, and this is pretty much what gives it the tension that it needs to you know, keep going. Now, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, on this part, y'all, I get so confused because it's like you're supposed to let it go down, and then, y'all, this is confusing. Okay, so hopefully I'm doing this the right way the first time. You're supposed to hook it onto the first one, let it go behind the second one, go behind, hook it onto that one, go behind, and then it's supposed to just start crocheting. See, that's it, y'all. This is hard, especially because I'm left-handed, so I be wanting to go backwards. Okay, I be wanting to go backwards. So I'm gonna hook it. Hook. Okay, go behind. Now hook that one. Go behind that one. And then from there, I'm just going to start hooking it. Hooking all of them. Hook. You fool. Hook. Come on and hook. Okay. So, okay, from there it is hooking. Y'all, this is confusing. Okay, so as you can see, this is what I needed. I needed to hook onto everyone. Okay, there it go. There it go. Up. Come on, hook on there. Okay, there it goes. That's supposed to be open. Why is it closing? Okay. Oh my God. Like, okay. Y'all, why is these things closing? Okay. I got it. Alright, I think I got it. I don't want to go too fast. Okay. And then what I'm doing now is waiting for it to come out of this end to start being knitted. And then, y'all, I'm going to come back. So I'm going to go ahead and wind this up a few times, then I'm going to come back. Alright, you guys. So I end up doing 3 separate pieces. These are going to be the earrings, since this is where the, as you can see, the yarn started getting darker. So I'm going to use this for the necklace. I'm going to use some gold chain, as well as what is these for? These are for like the extenders, you know, like so you can extend the size of your necklace or bracelet. And then these are the clasps, so I'm going to set that out because I'm going to need that for the necklace. Now the necklace, this is what the end looks like when you take it off of the knitter. If I was to pull this, this would all just come apart. So what I actually have to do is go and try to tie this in. Okay, yeah, is tie this in. And how am I gonna do that? Now this hook might be too small. Let's see. Could I pull, did I pull it through? Oh man, nope. Cause now it is just, I need the bigger one. This yarn is just falling apart, y'all. Okay, now the only thing is I need to do this with all of them. Okay, then you just tug on it, pull it, and there we go. Not so bad. Okay, that actually was not bad. That was not as bad as I thought. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the chain. I'm not even sure how long I want this. I honestly don't know. I'm just going with the flow on this. Like, I'm gonna need 2 pliers. Alright. Cause this chain on some other. Acting like it don't want to come. Okay, there we go. Then let's try to get another one to match it. Let's, as you heard me say, let's try to get another one to match it. And then pretty much all I'm gonna do is just tie this, connecting it to the necklace, which is easy. Oh, gotta open it some more. And then, you know, you can add beads, you can add rhinestones. Y'all, I don't like that chain. That chain is on some other stuff. Okay, so literally, I am just tying this chain on here. That is all I'm doing. So I'm gonna go ahead, tie both ends on, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I have the chains on, and what I'm gonna do now is just snip these right at the base. Snip these off. And then to secure it, so that they don't unravel. You could just use some super glue, nail glue, whatever type of glue you got. Mod Podge, I don't know, whatever you got, use it. Anything better than nothing. Just put a little bit right there on the knot. Don't need much. Let me put a little bit more, because it don't look like I got it on there. Okay. I don't know. Okay. And then from there, that's what our necklace is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and add on these little connecting things. Y'all, please don't ask me what this stuff is called, because I don't know. Okay? I don't know. I just use it. So, let's go ahead and put this piece on this side. And I'm using jump rings to attach it on with. And that is what that looks like. And like I said, you can add some beads, some little bling on here. You know what? Yeah, I'm going to add some rhinestones. That look a little plain to me. So, first off, for these, let's go ahead and even these up. These do not look the same in size. Matter of fact, they're not the same in size. So, this one is a little bit longer. But like I said, all you have to do is just pull this and it comes undone. So I'm going to try to get them as even as I can. A little bit more. Right there should do it. And now, just like the last one, what the heck is all of this? Okay, I'm going to try to go through each and every one of these. Tie these things in a knot. I can see the loops, so shouldn't be too hard. Alright, so I'm gonna do this part off camera, and then I'll be back.